My wife is working overtime this week My wife is working overtime this week overtime ថែមម៉ោងឬក៏យើងហៅកាត់ថា OT សប្តាហ៍នេះប្រពន្ធខ្ញុំធ្វើការថែមម៉ោង By 2024 she will has working here for 5 years By 2024 she will has working here for 5 years នៅឆ្នាំ2024គឺនាងបានធ្វើការនៅទីនេះរយៈពេល5ឆ្នាំហើយ I am sure you will have received his resignation by tomorrow. I am sure you will have received his resignation by tomorrow. ខ្ញុំប្រកាសថាអ្នកនឹងទទួលបានលិខិតលាឈប់របស់គាត់នៅថ្ងៃស្អែក It is snowing heavily. It is snowing heavily. ព្រិលធ្លាក់ខ្លាំងណាស់ឬក៏ព្រិលធ្លាក់ខ្លាំង Once again, I had lost control of my temper. Once again, I had lost control of my temper. ខ្ញុំមិនអាចទប់កំហឹងខ្លួនឯងម្ដងទៀតហើយ My temper នឹងបានន័យកំហឹងការខឹងឬក៏អារម្មណ៍របស់យើងក្រេវក្រោធណា She suddenly lost her good books. She suddenly lost her good books. នាងស្រាប់តែបាត់សៀវភៅល្អរបស់នាង He suddenly lost his job. He suddenly lost his job. ភ្លាមគាត់បានបាត់បង់ការងាររបស់គាត់ Your friends have arrived. Hurry up. Your friends have arrived. Hurry up. មិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់អ្នកបានមកដល់ហើយឆាប់ឡើងឬក៏លឿនឡើង I have lost my phone. I can't call her. I have lost my phone. I can't call her. ខ្ញុំបានបាត់ទូរស័ព្ទខ្ញុំមិនអាចទេទៅនាងបានទេ Have you ever seen a snake? Have you ever seen a snake? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់ឃើញពស់ទេ John isn't at home. He has gone to office. John isn't at home. He has gone to office. John មិននៅផ្ទះទេគាត់ទៅការិយាល័យហើយ We haven't considered that point yet. We haven't considered that point yet. ពួកយើងមិនទាន់បានពិចារណាពីចំណុចនោះនៅឡើយទេ I'm not sure I recognize her. I haven't seen her for ages. I'm not sure I recognize her. I haven't seen her for ages. ឡើយនេះ for ages យើងអាចអានភ្ជាប់សំឡេង r ពី for មកអាចថាអានថា for ages ឬក៏ for ages ក៏បានខ្ញុំមិនប្រកាសថាខ្ញុំចំណាំនាងបាននោះទេខ្ញុំខាន់ឃើញនាងយូរហើយឬក៏ខាន់ជួបនាងយូរហើយ Why are you in hurry? Why are you in hurry? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកប្រញាប់ After the operation, she will not be doing any hard work for a while. After the operation, she will not be doing any hard work for a while. បន្ទាប់ពីការវះកាត់នាងមិនអាចធ្វើការងារធ្ងន់បានទេ Will you be seeing her tomorrow? Will you be seeing her tomorrow? តើអ្នកនឹងទៅជួបនាងនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកទេ Let's meet at stadium at 4 o'clock. Let's meet at stadium at 4 o'clock. ជួបគ្នានៅពហុកីឡដ្ឋាននៅម៉ោង 4 I will be waiting for you. I will be waiting for you. ខ្ញុំនឹងរងចាំអ្នក This time tomorrow he will be sitting in the plane. This time tomorrow he will be sitting in the plane. ថ្ងៃស្អែកម៉ោងនេះគាត់នឹងកំពុងអង្គុយនៅក្នុងយន្តហោះ What time do you come home from office? What time do you come home from office? តើអ្នកចេញពីធ្វើការមកផ្ទះនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន At the moment we are flying over the ocean At the moment we are flying over the ocean ពេលនេះពួកយើងកំពុងហោះហើរលើមហាសមុទ្រ She is going to speak to her parents She is going to speak to her parents នាងនឹងទៅនិយាយជាមួយឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់នាង Take your raincoat It is raining Take your raincoat It is raining យកអាវភ្លៀងទៅមេឃភ្លៀងហើយ I'm sure you are making right decision I'm sure you are making right decision ខ្ញុំប្រកាសថាអ្នកសម្រេចចិត្តត្រូវ Don't make so much noise I'm trying to study Don't make so much noise I'm trying to study កុំឡូឡាខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀន He is dying to see her He is dying to see her គាត់ចង់ជួបនាងខ្លាំងណាស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ប្រយោគនេះមួយពាក្យថា dying to do something dying to see dying to eat dying to eat ក៏ដោយបូកជាមួយកិរិយានឹងពាក្យ dying to do something បានន័យថាយើងចង់ធ្វើអ្វីមួយទះសារចង់ខ្លាំងណាមិនបានន័យថាស្លាប់ទេពាក្យ dying ឡើយអញ្ចឹងបើខ្មែរយើងអាចថាអូចង់ជួបចង់ងាប់ឯនេះអាហ្នឹងពាក្យវាអញ្ចឹងចង់បានន័យថាអញ្ចឹងគេប្រើពាក្យ dying បានន័យថាចង់ជួបខ្លាំង There will not be any war in the country There will not be any war in the country វានឹងមិនមានសង្គ្រាមណាមួយក្នុងប្រទេសឡើយ She thinks she won't get married She thinks she won't get married នាងគិតថានាងនឹងមិនរៀបការនោះទេឬក៏យើងអាចនិយាយអីន័យមួយទៀតថាគាត់គិតថាគាត់នឹងមិនយកប្តីទេ Perhaps they will buy a new car this year Perhaps they will buy a new car this year ប្រហែលជាពួកគេនឹងទិញឡានថ្មីនៅឆ្នាំនេះ I'm afraid he won't wait for us I'm afraid he won't wait for us ខ្ញុំខ្លាចថាគាត់នឹងមករងចាំពួកយើង We don't know his address What shall we do We don't know his address What shall we do ពួកយើងអត់ស្គាល់អាសយដ្ឋានរបស់គាត់ទេតើពួកយើងគួរធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េច I'm exhausted I go to bed I'm exhausted I go to bed ខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំងខ្លាំងណាស់ខ្ញុំទៅគេងហើយ She fell in love with him at the first sight She fell in love with him at the first sight នាងលងស្រឡាញ់គាត់តាំងពីបានឃើញភ្លាម Love at the first sight បានន័យថាចេះឃើញភ្លាមស្រឡាញ់ផ្លែតគាត់ឃើញគេស្រឡាញ់ភ្លាមតែម្ដង Yesterday I wrote a letter to my father Yesterday I wrote a letter to my father ម្សិលមិញខ្ញុំបានសរសេរសម្បត្តិទៅឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំ I prefer fruit to coffee I prefer fruit to coffee ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តផ្លែឈើជាងកាហ្វេ Don't give him cigarettes he doesn't smoke Don't give him cigarettes he doesn't smoke កុំឲ្យបារីទៅគាត់អត់ជក់បារីទេ We don't have a car but we are going to buy it We don't have a car but we are going to buy it ពួកខ្ញុំអត់មានឡានទេប៉ុន្តែពួកខ្ញុំនឹងទិញវា What's the matter you look so happy What the matter you look so happy មានរឿងអ្វីមើលទៅសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ Jan and her sister have got wonderful voice Jan and her sister have got wonderful voice Jan និងប្អូនស្រីរបស់នាងមានសម្លេងពីរោះណាស់ពាក្យពីរោះពាក្យសម្លេងល្អហ្នឹងអង់គ្លេសគេអាចប្រើពាក្យ pretty voice beautiful voice wonderful voice amazing voice អញ្ចឹងណា Do you know what I want? Do you know what I want? តើអ្នកដឹងថាខ្ញុំចង់បានអ្វីទេ? My mother had got a bad headache. My mother had got a bad headache. ម្ដាយខ្ញុំឈឺក្បាលខ្លាំងណាស់. Does he speak English? Does he speak English? តើគាត់និយាយអង់គ្លេសទេ?